Good morning students. Today we are going to see division of polynomials. Let us consider the numbers 13 and 5. When 13 is divided by 5, we will get 13 divided by 5. So in fifth table now 13 is there. So the smallest number is 10. 2 times when we are dividing, we will getting this 2 as a quotient, then this 3 as a remainder. So 13 divided by 5, then when we are dividing, we will getting 2 as a quotient, 3 as a remainder. In lower class we learn what we done the division sum, how to check the division sum. What we done is correct or wrong. There is a formula is there, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here dividend is 13. Which number we are dividing on, that one we will call it as a dividend. By which number we are dividing, that one we will call it as a divisor. So here the dividend is 13 equal to divisor is a 5 into quotient is 2 plus 3. So 5 2s are 10 plus 3. So 13. So we have 13 is equal to 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So what we done, the division is correct. So we'll call this one dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We'll call it as a division algorithm, like that. Next, division algorithm for polynomials. Let p of x and g of x are the two polynomials. Here we are taking two polynomials. The polynomials, first one we are naming as a p of x, then the second one we are naming as a g of x, such that the degree of p of x it should be greater than or equal to the degree of g of x. So what we are taking, the p of x is the polynomial, that polynomial degree it should be greatest one. So for example, if we are taking the p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 8, then g of x is equal to x plus 1 and we are taking. So here p of x or the degree of this polynomial is 2, here the degree of the polynomial is 1. Like this we have to take it, p of x and g of x, that's a mean. Then the g of x is not equal to 0. So this g of x, there should be a polynomial, we don't take that one is equal to 0. That should, we have to take g of x is a polynomial or linear polynomial, we have to take it. Then there exists a unique polynomial q of x and r of x. When we are dividing this x square plus 7x plus 8 divided by x plus 1, we will get some quotient and the remainder. The quotient we will call it as an q of x, then the remainder we will call it as a r of x, such that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So that means the p of x is equal to a dividend. The dividend is equal to g of x is a divisor. So g of x is a divisor, q of x is a quotient plus r of x is a remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Suppose if r of x is equal to 0 means, then we will say that p of x is a multiple of g of x. Exercise 3.7, first sum, find the quotient and remainder. First, in that first subdivision, 4x cube plus 6x square minus 23x plus 18 divided by x plus 3. So this one I divide by using a long division method. So we have to write the dividend here, 4x cube plus 6x square minus 23x plus 18. So divided by x plus 3. So now we have to divide this x plus 3 by 4x cube plus 6x square minus 23x plus 18. So first we have to see in the dividend we have to see the first term, and the divisor we have to take the first term. First we have to divide that one. First step is we have in the dividend first term, and the divisor first term we have to take it and then we have to divide it. 4x cube by x. So here 1x, no? Here 1x will go up. So then we will get here 4x square. So when we are what will be dividing here 4x cube by x, now we are getting 4x square. So here in the quotient, first we have to put the first term as a 4x square. Then the second step what we have to do means, what we got here the quotient 4x square, we have to multiply it with the divisor fully. So here 4x square plus 3. Then only we put a two terms here. After 4x into 4x squared. 4x squared into x is 4x cube equal to 4x cube plus 4x squared into 3 is 12x squared. 4 into 3, 12x squared, x squared. So this 4x cube plus 12x squared, we have to write here 4x cube plus 12x squared. Then what we have to do means, we have to subtract this one. So we have to change the sign. So here no sign means here we have to consider as a plus. So we are putting minus here. This plus sign we are putting here minus. So here next 4x cube plus 4x cube, here minus 4x cube, it will get cancelled. Then here 6x squared minus, we have to consider this minus sign, minus 12x squared. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Here for the greater number 12 we are having minus sign. So minus 6x squared. Next we have to bring down the next term. So minus 23x. Now we have to divide this minus 6x square minus 23x by x plus 3. So for that what we have to do, here also we have to take the first term. In the divisor first term we have to take it. The third step is 6 minus 6x square by x. So in the 6x square we have divided by x means here this x, so here square of 1x it will go up. So what will get here? Minus 6x. So this minus 6x we have to write here in the quotient. Then fourth step what we have to do means, this minus 6x into, again we have to take this divisor, we have to multiply it. So minus 6x into x is equal to minus 6x square. Here minus 6x into 3 is equal to 6 3s are 18. Here plus into minus, minus 18. Here x is there. So x. So here we have to write minus 6x square minus 18x. Then we have to subtract this one. For that we have to change the sign. Here minus sign is there, so we have to put plus. Here also minus sign is there, so we have to put plus. So here minus 6x square, here plus 6x square, so it will get cancelled. Here minus 23x, here plus 18x. So 23 minus 18 is 5x. So here for the greater number we are having a minus sign, so we have to put here minus 5x. Then we have to bring down on the next term. The next term is plus 18. Now we have to take this fifth step. What we have to do in this minus 5x plus 18, we have to take the first term minus 5x. Then we have to divide it by the divisor of first term 5x. X. So minus 5x by x is equal to. So x will get cancelled. So here minus 5. So in this quotient we have to put here minus 5. Then what we have to do means, here minus 5 into, again by the divisor we have to multiply it. So here what will be getting, minus 5 into x minus 5x, here plus into minus, minus 5 into 3 15. So what will be getting here means minus 5x minus 15. So next step we have to subtract this one. So we have to change the sign, here plus, here also plus. Here minus 5x, here plus 5x, both will get cancelled. Now here 18 plus 18, here also plus 15. So both are plus sign, we have to add it and then we have to put the plus sign. So when we are adding 18 plus 15 is 33. Now what we have to find it, we have to find the quotient and the remainder. So the quotient is equal to equal to, what is the quotient here? This one we have to write it. So 4x square minus 6x minus 5, then our remainder is equal to 33. Next, second subdivision, 8y cube minus 16y square plus 16y minus 15 divided by 2y minus 1. So here we have to write 8y square, 8y cube minus 16y square plus 16y minus 15 divided by 2y minus 1. So the first step what we have to do means, in the dividend la first term we have to take, and the divisor la first term we have to take, and we have to divide it. So dividend la the first term is 8y cube by, divisor la first term is 2y. So divided by 2y. So this y here, the cube is there. So 1y it will get cancelled, will get square. So here two numbers are there. So 8 divided by 2 means here 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So what will be getting here means 4y squared. So that 4y squared we have to put it in the quotient first. 4y squared. Next, to get these terms, we have to multiply this 2y minus 1 into 4y squared. So here the second step is 4y squared into 2y minus 1 is equal to 4 into 2, 8. Y squared into y is y cube. So 8y cube minus 4y squared minus 1. So is minus 4y squared. Now here we multiply in this 2y minus 1 into 4y squared. 2y into 4y squared is 8y cube. Here minus 1 into 4y squared is minus 4y squared. So for that only we are in the second step, we are multiplying to get these terms. So what we have to do means, next we have to subtract it. For that we have to change the sign. So here minus sign, here plus sign. So next here plus 8 cube and minus 8 cube will get cancelled. Now next here minus 16y square plus 4y square. Here one it is in minus, another one it is in plus. So we have to subtract it. 16 minus 4 is 12 y square. Here the greater number sign is here minus. So we have to write here minus 12y square. Next bring the next term. The next term is plus 16y. Now we have to divide this minus 12y square plus 16y divided by 2y minus 1. So in this term we have to take the in this polynomial minus 2y square plus 16y, in this polynomial we have to take the first term. So minus 12y square divided by, divisor the first term we have to take it, and we have to divide it. So minus 12y square divided by 2y. Now when we are dividing this one, y and y square la 1y will goes off. Here 12 and divided by 2 is there. So 1 2s are 2, here 6. Here minus sign is there. So minus 6y. So what we have to write here in the quotient la? Minus 6y. Next step, fourth step what we have to do means, this minus 6y into, we have to multiply it with the divisor. So 2y minus 1. So to get these terms, so minus 6y into 2y is, here plus into minus, minus 6 into 2, 12, y into y squared. So minus 12y squared. Next here minus into minus plus 6y into 1, 6y. So what we got it here, minus 12y square plus 6y. That one we have to write here, minus 12y square plus 6y. So to subtract this one, we have to change the sign. So here minus sign is there, so plus, here plus sign is there, so here minus. Now minus 12y square plus 12y square will get cancelled. Next here plus 16y minus 6y. So one it is in plus, another one it is in minus. So we have to subtract it. 16 minus 6 is 10y. Here the greater number sign is here plus. So here plus only, plus 10y. Now bring down the next term. The next term is here minus 15. Now we have to divide this 10y minus 15 by 2y minus 1. So for that, next what we have to do is in this 10y minus 15 we have to take the first term 10y divided by divisor first term. So 10y divided by 2y. So y will get cancelled. 1 2s are 2, 5. So here what will be getting here? 5. So here plus 5. Now next what we have to do is this 5 into the divisor we have to write it. I have to multiply it. So 2y minus 1. When we are multiplying here 5 into 2, 10y minus minus and here plus, here minus. So plus into minus, minus 5 into 1, 5. So 10y minus 5. So 10y minus 5. Now we have to subtract it. For that we have to change the sign. Here the plus sign we have to consider. So here minus sign. Here minus sign is there. Plus when we are subtracting this one 10 plus 10y minus 10y will get cancelled. Here minus 15. Here plus 5. One it is in minus, another one it is in plus. So we have to subtract it. 15 minus 5 is 10. Then the greater number sign is here minus. So here minus 10. So our quotient is equal to 4y square minus 6y plus 5. Then our remainder is equal to minus 10. Next, third subdivision, 8x cube minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. So first we have here the given 8x cube minus 1. First we have to write this one in the standard form of a polynomial. Why we are writing here in the standard form of a polynomial is here they didn't mention that x cube term is given. Here they didn't mention that x square term and x term. So we have to write here 8x cube plus they didn't mention here x square term. So we have to write it as a 0x square. They didn't mention that x term also. So we have to take it as a 0x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. So last two sums, before two sums, they already had given in the standard form of a polynomial. So here they didn't give. So for that missing term we are writing as a 0x square plus 0x. Now let us do the sum now. So 8x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. So the given polynomial we have to take the first term and the divisor first term and then we have to divide it. That is our first step. So 8x cube divided by 2x. So 1x, here 1x will goes up, so we will get being x square. 8 divided by 2 means 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So we will be getting here 4x square. So we have to write here in the quotient 4x square. So next step what we have to do means this 4x square we have to multiply it with the divisor to get these terms. So 4x square into 2x minus 1. So when we are multiplying 4x squared into 2x, 4 2s are 8, x squared into x is x cube. Next here plus into minus, minus 4x squared into 1 means minus 4x squared. So write this 8x cube minus 4x squared here. 8x cube minus 4x squared. So next what we have to do, we have to subtract it. For that we have to change the sign. Here plus, so minus, here minus sign is there, so we have to put plus sign. Here plus 8 cube minus 8 cube will get cancelled. Here 0x square plus 4x square. 0 plus 4 is 4x square. Next bring down the next term. Next term is x term, so plus 0x. Next, what we have to do means this 4x square plus 0x we have to divide it by 2x minus 1. In this 4x square plus 0x, first term is 4x square. We have to take this 4x square and divided by the divisor, first term is 2x. So, 4x square divided by 2x. So, 1x and 1x will get cancelled. Here 1 2s are 2, 2 times. So, what will be getting here? 2x. Next step what we have to do means this 2x into the divisor we have to multiply it to get this terms. So 2x into 2x minus 1. So here when we are multiplying here 2 2s are 4, x into x square. Here plus into minus, 2x into 1, 2x. So 4x square minus 2x. So here 4x square minus 2x. So to subtract this one, what we have to do? We have to change the sign. Here plus sign is there. So here minus sign is there. So plus. So 4x square minus 4x square plus 4x square. Here minus 4x square. So this will get cancelled. Here 0x plus 2x. So 0 plus 2 is 2x. Then bring down the next term minus 1. So 2x minus 1. So in this 2x minus 1, the first term is 2x. The divisor first term 2x. So we have to divide it next. 2x divided by 2x. X will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. So equal to 1. So the third step here 4x square by 2x when we are dividing we got 2x. That 2x we have to write it here plus 2x. Then only we have to multiply it and then we have to write these terms. Next what we have multiplied and we have subtracted, we got 2x minus 1. When the 2x minus 1 2x we are divided by 2x, we got here 1. So here plus 1. So next sixth step what we have to do means this 1 into divisor we have to multiply it. So 2x minus 1. 1 into 2x, 2x. Here plus into minus, 1 into 1, 1. So what we got here? 2x minus 1. So to subtract this one, we have to do, we have to change the sign. So here plus sign, so minus, here minus, plus. Plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Here minus 1 plus 1 also will get cancelled. So the remainder is 0. So therefore, quotient is equal to 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Remainder is equal to 0. Next second sum. The area of a rectangle is x square plus 7x plus 12. If its breadth is x plus 3, then find its length. Here in this question what they have given? They have given area of a rectangle is equal to x square plus 7x plus 12. Then they have given breadth b is equal to x plus 3. Then we have to find the length. So we know the formula, area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. So here they have given the area of a rectangle, they have given as a x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to, we have to find the length L. So we are keeping that L as it is into breadth is x plus 3. So bring this x plus 3 this side. So when you are bringing this side, here into sign is there. So when you are bringing this side, it will become as a divide. So x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3 is equal to L. Now we have to divide this x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. What we are dividing? What's we are getting? That is a length. So when we are dividing here x square plus 7x plus 12. Now we have to divide this x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. So here x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. Now in this x square plus 7x plus 12, the first term is x square term. Then so we have to take this x square term and the divisor the first term we have to take it x. Then we have to divide it. That is the first step. So x square divided by x means here 1x will get cancelled and we will be getting x. So we have to write here x. Then second step what we have to do means this x we have to take it and then we have to multiply it with x plus 3 to get these terms. So x plus 3 is equal to x into x square, x into 3 is equal to 3x. So x square plus 3x. So here x square plus 3x. Next what we have to do, we have to subtract it. Here plus sign, so here minus. So here plus sign is there, here also minus. Plus x square minus x square will get cancelled. Here plus 7x minus 3x. So one it is in plus, another one it is in minus. So we have to subtract it. 7 minus 3 is 4x. Then here greater number sign is plus. So here plus sign 4x. Now bring the next term here plus 12. Now 4x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. Now in this 4x plus 12 we have to take the first term 4x. Then we have to divide it in the divisor. We have to take the first term and we have to divide it. Third step is 4x divided by x. So xx will get cancelled. We will be getting 4. So here plus 4. So next what we have to do means this 4 into this divisor we have to multiply x plus 3 equal to 4 into x 4x plus 4 3s are 12. So we are getting 4x plus 3. So we have to write here that 4x plus 12. Now subtract this one minus, here also minus. Plus 4x minus 4x will get cancelled. Here plus 12 minus 12 also will get cancelled. So the remainder we are getting as a 0. Therefore what we have to find here, we have to find the length. So when we are dividing this x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3, what we got it here, x plus 4. Therefore length is equal to x plus 4. Next fourth sum, the sum of x plus 5 observations is x cube plus 125. Find the mean of observations. Here they had given the sum of x plus 5 observations. Here they are observing that x plus 5 observations. In that x plus 5 observations when they are observing, they got the total sum as equal to x cube plus 125. So we have to write this total sum is equal to x cube plus 125. Then number of observations, how many observations they are doing means here x plus 5. Number of observations is equal to x plus 5. Then we have to find the mean. The formula is there to find the mean. Mean is equal to total sum divided by number of observations. So the total sum is equal to x cube plus 125 by number of observations is x plus 5. So here x plus 5. Now this here they have given x cube term and a constant term is given. So here x square term and x term is missing. So we have to write here x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 125 divided by x plus 5. Now we have to divide this x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 125 divided by x plus 5. So in the dividend first term we have to take, divisor first term we have to take, and then first we have to divide that one. So dividend first term is x cube by divisor first term is x. So when we are dividing 1x, here 1x will get cancelled, so x square equal to x square. That x square first we have to write here x square. Then second step is this x square into this divisor we have to multiply it to get these terms. So x squared into x plus 5. equal to x squared into x is x cube plus x squared into 5x squared. So here x cube plus 5x squared. Now to subtract this one, we have to change the sign. So here minus, here also minus. So plus x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Here 0 minus 5 is minus 5x squared. Then bring the next term down. Next term is plus 0x. So plus 0x. So here minus 5x squared plus 0x we have to divide it by x plus 5. In this the first term is minus 5x squared. We have to divide it by divisor the first term. So the third step is minus 5x squared divided by x. So 1x will get cancelled is equal to minus 5x. So here we have to put here minus 5x. Then we have to multiply this minus 5x into the divisor x plus 5. So equal to minus 5x into x is minus 5x squared. Here plus into minus, minus 5 into 5, 25, x is there. So 25x. So what we will be getting here means minus 5x squared minus 25x. So when we are subtracting this one, we have to change the sign. So here minus sign is there. So plus sign. Here also minus sign. So plus sign. So minus 5x squared plus 5x squared will get cancelled. Here 0 plus 25 is 25x. Then bring down the next term. Next term is plus 125. Now we have to divide this 25x plus 125 divided by x plus 5. Now in this we have to take the, in this first we have to take the first term 25x divided by divisor the first term. So 25x divided by x. So x will get cancelled. So we will be getting here 25. So here plus 25. Next what we have to do means this 25 into this divisor we have to multiply it. So x plus 5. So 25 into x is equal to 25x plus 25 into 5 is equal to 125. So here 25x plus 125. Next to subtract this one we have to change the sign. So here minus, here also minus sign. So plus 25x minus 25x will get cancelled. Here plus 125, here minus 125 will also get cancelled. So we will be getting 0. So when we are dividing this one, x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 125 divided by x plus 5, what we are getting means here x square minus 5x plus 25. Therefore mean is equal to x square minus 5x plus 25.